Good evening everyone, doing a harbour walk again. The Fuerteventura ferry is leaving to go to Lanzarote now. Alright, but it's a lot warmer now out of that wind. If you want to know what the weather's like here, pretty much it's the same weather what we get in the UK in spring, if you know what I mean. I know I normally come out here late in the year normally, but I just needed to get out, see my friends and that. And I've been going through a lot at the moment, so I just needed to get away for my mental health and that. Of course, as it was only a couple of weeks ago, it was my mum's anniversary since she passed away 13 years ago. On 7th of February, she passed away 13 years ago, so that was only a couple of weeks away. It was 2 weeks ago it was now since the anniversary, so I'm glad I'm here in my happy place where I love to be every day. I wish I could have come out on my mum's anniversary, I wish I did, but I was stuck at home in boring UK. But I'm happy now I'm here. Oh, well, just saw a flash of lightning. Jeez. Yep, I ain't getting the drone up, no way in hell. Where's that plane going? You can hear it. No, can't see it because the clouds are quite low. Of course, I see this ferry here. I will be going on that to Lanzarote probably next week, guys, alright? Because that's the only cheapest ferry I can go on. It's only €10 or something, I think, per person. So yeah. There we go, the Fuerteventura ferry. Currently, time is right now is 19 minutes past 5 in the evening here in Canary Islands in Fuerteventura, Corralejo. Currently 17 degrees. Feel like temperature, feel like 14 it does. Next rainstorm coming our way, and over there as well. So yeah, it's going to be a chilly night tonight, guys. It is. The Armas ferry will be coming in soon. Yeah, look at that storm. Tomorrow is Sunday, of course, guys, so there won't be much open tomorrow, so it'll be sort of a quieter day here in corralejo in Fuerteventura. So, you know, that's severe heavy rain coming our way over Lanzarote. Once I've done this vlog, I'm going to go back, have the early dinner, get my drone, get my camera, come out and take some pictures of the sunset, the storm that we're getting. But surfs up that rocky point. Water is just here. Rocky point is over there. Good surfing spot. Tomorrow we're getting 40 to 50 mile per hour winds tomorrow. We were meant to be getting it today, but we didn't. Oh, hello, look, it's a pussycat. Hello. Hello. Hello, darling. You call you, shouldn't you? Meow. Meow. I love cats. Sun gonna come out in a minute. Right guys, thank you for tuning in, and catch you later. Remember, click that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, also click that notification bell, you'll be notified to update the YouTube videos. And also please go and subscribe to my mate YouTube channel called No Man Brothers, please. So catch you all later. Bye for now guys.